first time I hit one, it was a dude, so you know it was straight on. Then took me up to the sky, 11 years old, and y'all gon' know why. Now I've done many things, but here I remain off this thing. They call her Mary Jane. Me going fucking insane, but only from the fact that I hold my ground never stand alone. If you smoke, here take a toke. If you don't smoke for me, you straight know. The fact that it grows wild, don't need much, you know. Coming from my brain, cause I got a little bit left, man. Trees, plus I'm smoking. Trees, plus I'm choking. They say this is a gateway drug, well man, I ain't left the gate yet. And if you out here on the straight up drug, I bet you never fucking forget. We off them trees, sitting back clean. And if you need a little bit more, man, I'm out here just doing my thing. And best believe I don't need to scuff. Sit back and I smoke and I light and I straight up smoke. If you wanna be down with this shit, let's come on, cause we out here to toe. I got trees, believe me, in my knees, I got trees. All over in my sleeve, I got trees. Every time I breathe, I got trees. Man, I am the seeds. Now if you know what I'm trying to do, best believe me, out here talking to you. And if you got a problem with it, I'm talking to your ears. Put the F on it, yeah. F-Ed. Trees.